So we need to see which of these sequences is arithmetic. So the definition of an arithmetic sequence is you have to add the same number to a term to get the next term in the sequence. So you have to add that common difference. So I will check the first sequence, and I'm going to take the second term and subtract the term before it, and I get a difference of 4. So that means I would add 4 to the first term to get the second term. So if I take the third term, which is 16, and I subtract the term before that, I get a difference of 8. So that means term number 2, I would add 8 to that to get the third term. So already I know that that's not an arithmetic sequence because I do not have that common difference. So I know A is incorrect, is not arithmetic. So if I go to B, so I'm going to take the second term and subtract the term before it, and I get 1. So again, I'm adding 1 to the first term to get the second term. If I take the third term, which is 14, and subtract the term before it, I get a difference of 2. So I would add 2 to the second term to get the third term. And again, not a common difference, so I know that that is not arithmetic. Letter C, I'm going to take term 2, which is 15, and I'm going to subtract the term before it, which is 28. If I subtract that, I get a difference of negative 13. So from the first term to the second term, I'm adding a negative 13. So I'll take the third term, which is 2, subtract the term before it, which is 15, and I get negative 13 again. So I'm adding a negative 13 to the next term. So far, it looks like it might be arithmetic. So I'll take my fourth term, which is negative 11. I'll subtract the term before it, which is 2, and I get negative 13. And my last term is negative 24. If I subtract the term before it, which is a negative 11, remember I can rewrite that as negative 24 plus 11, which is negative 13. So I'm adding negative 13 every single time to get that next term of the sequence. So letter C looks like it's arithmetic. But I'm still going to check the last one, letter D, because maybe there are 2 correct answers, or maybe I made a mistake on C. So in D, I'm going to subtract term 2, which is negative 25, and I'm going to subtract the term before it, and I get negative 55. So I'm adding a negative 55. I'll take the third term, which is 20, subtract the term before it, which is a negative 25. I can rewrite that as an addition problem, so that would be 20 plus 25, which is 45. So already, again, I do not have a common difference. I'm adding a negative 55 first, and then to go to the second term to the third term, I'm adding 45. So that is not arithmetic. So I can eliminate that one. So the question was, which one is arithmetic? That would be letter C. And the common difference for letter C, that common difference would be negative 13. That's the number that you're adding to each term to get the next.